we're making a traditional vegan breakfast food from Costa Rica called Gallo Pinto. When I traveled to Costa Rica, Gallo Pinto was served every day at breakfast. It's a simple recipe made from leftover rice and beans from the day before. As a bonus at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to make a traditional Costa Rican sauce that's served on every table, Lizano sauce. Welcome to Kat's Vegan Kitchen. Remember, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button so you never miss a recipe. Let's get started. For this recipe, I'm going to start by spraying my pan with a little bit of avocado oil. Once your oil is warm, add either a quarter of a red onion or half of a yellow onion and half of a red or yellow pepper, and cook it until it is translucent, maybe 5 to 7 minutes. If you want, you can use a little bit of vegan broth to make this recipe oil-free. You want to stir it here and there to make sure it doesn't stick. Once the onion's translucent, we're going to add in about a cup or a cup and a half of pre-cooked white rice. The locals in Costa Rica told us that Gallo Pinto was traditionally made with leftover rice and beans for a quick breakfast so they could get out of the door quickly and get to work. If you want to use dry rice because you don't have any rice pre-made, just put in about a half cup of dry rice with about a cup and a half of a vegan chicken broth. You want to make sure you're stirring while your rice is cooking so it doesn't stick. If it does seem to get a little bit sticky, just add a little bit of vegan broth. But the thing is, we want that rice to fry up a little, so we don't want to add too much liquid while we're frying up our rice. After your rice has cooked up with your onions and peppers and salt for about 5 or so minutes, we're going to add in our black beans. I'm using canned black beans. Always rinse my beans, but this time I did rinse them, but I left a tiny little bit of that bean liquid because it's going to give a really nice flavor to my Gallo Pinto. Add a dash more salt. At this point, I am going to add about a half a cup of vegan chicken broth and about a tablespoon of fresh cilantro. I'm going to let this cook up for just about 15 minutes. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious Costa Rican salsa ever. You want to start with 2 dried chilies. You can use guajillo or ancho chilies. And you're going to soak those dried chilies. You're going to cut the stems off and soak them in a cup of hot water. That's going to soften them up. If you don't like heat, use fewer chilies. My version of this salsa doesn't have any added sugar or any added oil. I'm going to use a high-speed blender, so I'm only going to rough chop my vegetables. If you're using a food processor, you might have to chop them a little bit more fine. I'm going to add in about a half cup of rough chopped yellow onion. I'm going to add in 1 diced up carrot, 2 tablespoons of chopped up pineapple or mango. That's going to add sweetness to your salsa without adding refined sugar. I want 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So that's going to be about the juice of 1 small lemon or half a large lemon. About a tablespoon of ground cumin, a tablespoon of white vinegar, a heaping teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to add in my softened chilies, about a half cup of the liquid they were softening in, and about a half cup of vegetable stock or vegan chicken stock. I'm going to add all that to my high-speed blender, blend it up into a delicious salsa. While I was whipping up my salsa, my Gallo Pinto finished cooking. I'm going to spoon that delicious salsa over my Gallo Pinto, and I am going to serve it with 2 corn tortillas. Please support local businesses when you can. These tortillas are fresh made from a little shop called La Mixteca in Los Angeles. They taste better and they're better for you. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time on Kat's Vegan Kitchen. It's called Salsa Lizano and it's on every table in Costa Rica. Costa Rica.
Costa Rico. Is it Costa? Is it Rico? Is it Costa Rico?
We have no time for that.